So looking at the geometric sequences, you need to find out the R, the ratio. Okay, what's the ratio for the first list? So you look at the numbers here, they're all multiplying by 3. There's supposed to be a comma here for the second list, 2, and then -6, and then 18, and then -54. So they are multiplying by not just 3, but -3. Okay, whenever you see the sign being on and off, like plus, minus, you know you're multiplying by negative. It's very signature. All right, what about this? 12 and 24 becomes 12, and then 6, and then 3. They're all multiplying by 1/2. Okay, so it could be a fraction. And we introduced this little equation yesterday. We said that it's the first term times a little r, and then the r is raised to the n-1 power. It's n-1 because we do not want to multiply anything for the first term. So we make the power n-1, so that when n is equal to 1, the exponents become 0. R to the 0 power, it's just 1. Okay, so very easy. So now we say, all right, can you write down the first 5 terms of the given A1 and the R? We say, well, sure, the first term is going to be 3. If R is equal to 2, that means you are doubling, you're multiplying by 2. So the second term must be 6. Third term would be 12. And then 24. And then 48. Easy. Easy. An elementary school student can do it for you. A 4th grader can do it for you. Very easy. Very easy. Okay. And then you look at the next one. It says, please go ahead, write down the nth term expression, and then go ahead, find out the 8th term. And we say, oh, sure, that's also very easy. Because you've got the A1, you have the R, so you could easily write down the nth term notation. Okay, that's it. And then now we'd say, please go ahead, find out AH. AH, the 8th term. And we say, oh, sure. So you have this, okay, 8 minus 1. So you have 27 times 1/3 to the 7th power. And now, so most of you will be like, wait, hold on. I don't know how to do this without a calculator. Now, for this particular question, I would say, hey, what if I tell you that you could actually do this without a calculator, and it does not involve knowing what 3 to the 7th power is? Can you do this without a calculator? I'll give you a hint. Look at 27. Look at 1/3. What's the linkage between them? And number 3. What's 27? 3 cubed, right? What's 1/3 to the 7th power? It's 3 to the -7th power. What do we do with the exponents here? We will, we add the exponents together. So that means you have 3 to the -4 power, which is equal to 1/81. So, I mean, yeah, when I first look at this 1/3 to the 7th power, I would say naturally you want to get a calculator to calculate it. Understandable, but we don't need to. We don't need to. Okay.